What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the video. Today it is currently snowing outside, and very heavily actually, like a lot. So anyways, it is like past Christmas, past New Year's obviously, and it's still snowing. And figured I'm getting kind of tired of the snow. Might as well make the most of it, right? So we decided today that me, Rod, and Vlog were gonna do a snow photo shoot because why not? It's snowing, it's like perfect for taking photos, and we thought it'd be fun and we thought it'd make a good vlog. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Also, I got a brand new carpet. Love it. It's very fluffy and very comfy, and I thought I should share that with you. Also, make sure to check out my newest single that just came out. It's on all platforms, and you can go find it also on my YouTube channel. Also, make sure to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and drop a huge like on the video. And yeah, make sure to follow my Instagram so you can hear about the cover of the week. The cover of the week is where I ask on my Instagram every week what song I should cover for the cover of the week, and you guys let me know. So follow so you don't miss out. And yeah, let's get into the video.
They're saying this is one of the big. This is going to be one of the biggest snowstorms.
Don't fall down the stairs. Your time is up. You're frozen. Your time is up. Go tell Rhoda that her time is up. She's supposed to be out here. Alright, go tell Rhoda her time is up. Your time was up 4 minutes ago. I even gave you a 2-minute warning.
Listen, it took me 5 minutes to put on makeup, then it took me about 10 minutes to find my hat, which I did find.
The point is you're a liar.
Listen, I already knew that. I did not need to be told that.
2 inches down, and I'm wearing sweatpants and tennis shoes. Okay, we're gonna take another step. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Jeez, that was a big drop. I know, like my legs are soaked now.
Okay, Ronald, do it. No, you're not. Idiot. Do it on this one.
I think I broke my knee standing.
Do it on this. Ronald. She was about to do the same.
Shoes.
They're actually my smallest shoes that I have.
Let's. Okay, show off the fit. Show off the fit. She should join us, or we should go to her.
Yeah, I want to ask her what she's doing. Oh, it's so snowy.
Let's go. Oh geez, so long as you don't hit me in the face. Don't throw hard, okay?
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You missed it.
You hit me in the face! You didn't hit me in the camera. Behind, of course they left me behind. Hey, wait up! Hey, wait for me! We're walking to Simona's house. We'll see how long.
It always happens to her.
Can I talk to the camera real quick?
Hi.
Sorry, Blake.
Oh my
Listen,
God.
you slammed your head directly into my hand.
You were making. Why were
My
you
hand
doing
was
this?
like this.
Guys, all we had to do was walk.
I'm sorry.
Careful for throwing snowballs at me. I tried to block it and I went right into her face.
Alright, let's keep walking. Get to the final destination. Tired and cold. We've made it. I am vlogging. What would you like to say to the vlog?
I would like to say that I did not know that Rada was being serious. I was not expecting something. Also, I just got a snowball thrown through my open window. There was snow everywhere. It was not a good time, and I had to clean it up.
Who threw it?
Anna. Yes, they're over there.
Oh my god.
It was very upsetting.
What? She has good aim.
She does. I need to get the picture. Yes.
I like your makeup. It looks great.
It does look very good.
I did it so that I could take like one picture outside.
I know, I got a picture.
Yeah. Go. Yeah. Go in it. Jump. Keep jumping on. Oh. She's not very bright. You can see her over there.
It was very funny. I just kicked her hat and stuff.
Nice beanie, Rada.
You'll be fine. It's just some snow. And looks like
A baby.
you've got a little bit more than snow going on there. Let's get the side angle so we can get the real depth. This is the most recent update for the vlog.
I got pregnant in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was fun to watch. Winter's ending. We're going into spring, finally, because, I mean, I love snow and all, but like, I'm a summer or spring person, so. I can't wait for the warm weather to come. I can't wait for the future vlogs that are to come. Hopefully this is it for the snow, but you never know. Like 2 years ago, it rained it snowed on the first day of spring, so we'll see how it goes this year. Just make sure to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and drop a huge like on the video if you enjoyed. Also make sure to follow my Instagram so you don't miss out on the cover of the week. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.